Welcome dear students to online classes, standard 5th, subject graph, topic lotus. Material require red, orange, pink and green tinted color paper, green marble paper, scissor, glue, pencil, paintbrush, card paper. Instruction: take a red, pink and orange tinted color paper using a stencil of a rectangle of size 10 cm into 8 cm. Draw and cut a triangle of each paper. Now you have to take a paper. After taking a paper, you have to draw the square. After drawing, cut it. Now students, I have cut a square and afterwards you have to fold into rectangle. After folding, see the figure 1. Draw the shape of each rectangle as shown in figure 2 and cut along the lines. What you have to do, you have to draw the shape of lotus. After drawing, you have to cut it. Now students, afterward you have to take a green marble paper for the stem. You have to draw and cut it the thin paper stick. See the instruction on page figure 3. Now student, take a green tinted color paper and cut shape as shown in figure 4. This will be the leaves. Keep these leaves on a flat surface and press line of wings as shown in figure 5 using the pointed end of a paintbrush. What you have to do, already we have taken a green tinted paper. You have to draw the leaf. After drawing leaf, cut it. Now students, I have cut the leaves and afterwards what you have to do, and afterwards press line for wings as shown in figure 5. You have to draw the line. With the help of the sketch pen, you have to take a sketch pen and draw the line. Now see, already we have drawn the line. Afterwards, you have to take a card paper. Already I have taken a card paper and afterwards you have to fold it. Now see, already we have fold and open it. After folding, you have to open. Now student, you have to take a flower petal, fold them vertically into half. You have to fold vertically into half. After folding, you can see the middle line. Now students, you can see the middle line. There you have to, in middle you have to paste a gum. In middle you have to paste a gum. After pasting, stick a petal. You have to stick a orange petal first. Then afterwards take a red petal. Paste a gum at the middle. Then stick it. And you have to take a third. Take a pink paper, paste a gum and stick it. Now see, we have stick 3 petals. And afterwards you have to take a stem, paste a gum first. And stick it. Now see, we have stick a stem. Then afterwards you have to take a leaves and stick it. Put a gum and stick it. You have to take now second leaves. Now see, we have stick a second leaf. Now see, our lotus is ready. Now students, you have to try at your home.
Thank you.